Okay, so I have the truss rod, and it appears to be the right size. Oh, I thought it ran, my bad. So let me show you this. So that would fit in like so, and that would poke just out of there. The problem, and I actually have a piece of carbon as well here to fill that in afterwards. The problem I'm seeing with this is that would just unscrew, and then I will poke that end through, sorry, this end, and then readjoin that through there. But this one, all I'm seeing is one little turn and no more. I don't want to force that for sure. It seems to be all it's doing. One that way, one that way. I don't see, you know, is it faulty? I don't know. So I'm probably going to put this video up literally right now and just see if anybody's got any responses for that. I guess plan B is just to ream that a bit bigger, which I could do. Ream it to, but then I'd have to ream it to fit that. Ream it to fit that part there, and then push it down. But I think if I ream it to that there, I'm pretty much making that hole like huge. So if any of you more experienced guitar builders and whatever out there know what I should be doing with this, I mean, is that a fault on that? That the fact that that only turns a little bit like that and a little bit like that, is that a problem with this? Is it faulty? I don't know. Should I ream a hole in there just to get this in? If this contest was not going on right now and I was just doing this of my own accord, I think that's what I would do. I would just ream it in. But then I'd always be wondering about that. Is that faulty? In fact, is that even... Look at that. Okay. Does that look straight to you as well? I'm trying to keep it still. Hold on, let me turn it like that. Does that look straight? Is it coming out the angle it should be? It looks like it's at a slope to me, and if that is, that's probably what's causing the problems, isn't it? Alright, I'm going to post this video now. Hope that I get some answers. Toodle pip.